Hey folks, Scott Weingart here, and I got a question from one of the listeners. They put it on the EMCrit help website saying, how do I find these show notes? I don't understand. And I think the listener figured out that if it was a brand new podcast, the show notes would be the first post there, and obviously the most recent ones are all there for you. And you just click on whichever episode you are just listened to, and you'd find the show notes for that episode. But how do we find the older ones? Well, there's a search bar right over here on the top of the site. Here's the very top. And if you go down here a little bit to the right, there's a search bar. And if you put in the episode number, for instance, we want episode 99 and hit return, and give it a sec because we just put out a new episode, so maybe people are downloading. And there it is, top of the list. Click on podcast 99 and you get the show notes for podcast 99. So that's one way. Now, if you wanted to see all the episodes, because maybe you don't remember the number, you don't have to scroll through thousands of pages to find it. You just go to the archives on the very top of the screen. And what you're going to get is, all your categories. You don't care about that. But here's the posts. Every single post ever placed on the EMCrit site, all here in one place to make it super easy to find any individual episode. So they're all there for you. And so that's the two ways you could find show notes for the podcast. If you have any further questions, then shoot me a contact on the top of the site. Let's show you where that is just in case people don't know. And there it is. There's the contact link. Okay, Scott Weingart, EMCrit Podcast saying bye-bye.